I'm all for using simple, natural language when it comes to learning an instrument, whatever makes it stick. But knowing the right terms, the names of the parts, techniques, and concepts gives you a better understanding and helps you connect with other people. So in this short series, I'm going to walk you through the most important part names. I made a super nice illustration that you can download as a PDF. Check out where to get it in the link below. Let's start at the top with the Itomaki. These are the tuning pegs for the shamisen. There's 3 of them and they all look the same, but they're fitted individually. They're tapered and fit into the peg box by friction. So when tuning the shamisen, you have to twist and push at the same time. The tenjin is the head of the instrument. It holds the itomaki and connects to the neck. It's made from a thicker slab of wood than the neck, but it fits on so snugly that one could think it's all made from one piece. Moving on, we get to the sao, the neck of the instrument. This is where your hand slides up and down when you're playing. The sao has, unlike a guitar, no frets, and it gives you the opportunity to play beautiful sliding notes and strengthen your ear and hand coordination. The length and thickness of the sao vary slightly between different styles of shamisen. Next is the do, the body of the instrument. The word literally translates to body. It is a somewhat box-shaped resonator and it kind of works like a banjo or a drum. The top and bottom are covered in tightly stretched skin, either synthetic or natural. These 5 parts form the basic structure of the shamisen. Once you're more familiar with these, it becomes a lot easier to follow lessons, discussions, and illustrations about the instrument. If you'd like to download the full printable illustration with part names labeled in Japanese and English, it's available for supporters on Patreon. Link below. In the next video, we're going to have a look at the essential smaller components and accessories. They're just as important to understand, so make sure to watch it. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.